Singapore is a very competitive place to get a job. But I got my first job after I graduated very quickly. I think having graduated from a reputable university that's internationally recognized really helped a lot.
I studied a Bachelor of Science in Biotech, and I'm currently a Product Marketing Manager at InQ Farm.
It's been my 25th year already, in banking industry. I'm now an Executive Director in one of the wealth management banking in Singapore. But life is fun, Then I moved to banking, and suddenly they say, oh, you can fit into this treasury department very well. And I deal with numbers, except in different forms, in currencies.
If you're really interested in science, go for it, because once you've graduated, the option to choose from, as in the career options to choose from, is really wide.
Good thing was, in my program, I get to work in the industry with the local oil and gas industry in Sydney. So that was a really good exposure for me. I get to work hands-on with a local company, and with that skill that I picked up, I could literally run on the go when I started my job back here in KL.
I think I like pediatric optometry is like when you do something and you try to amend or correct or give them a visual therapy, you really can change the life of a person.
And definitely, if you look at the wealth being created, now you will look at actually the so-called technopreneurs, Bill Gates, Zuckerberg, they are all scientists or engineers. So I strongly recommend a high school student nowadays to take a very serious look at science and technology, not just because you love it, but because that is where the opportunities are.
But the most important thing is that it's a university that's specialized in science and engineering.
I loved it. I lived in Sydney for all the year I was in university. I actually also studied in high school. I was a migrant to Australia. So I'm Australian myself. But then I chose to come back to Taiwan to work here because I felt that the education in Australia actually gave me the strength and courage to take on different things, to take on adventures.